Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how to remove a device from your Netflix account. To get started, make sure you are signed into your Netflix account on your web browser. Once you are signed in, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, then select Account. This will take you to the page where you can manage your account information. To remove a device, scroll down and select Manage Download Devices. Here, you will see a list of devices that are allowed to download Netflix shows and movies. If you want to remove a specific device, simply click on Show Downloads, select the device you want to remove, and click on Remove Device. Another way to remove all devices from your Netflix account is to scroll down and select Sign Out of All Devices. This will log you out of all devices currently signed into your account. You can also change your password to require all devices to sign in again with the new password. To do this, click on Change Password, set up a current password, and then create a new password. Confirm the new password and then click on Require all devices to sign in again with new password and then save. I hope this tutorial helped you remove any unwanted devices from your Netflix account. If it did, please let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit bell notification to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.